Wait lang, wait lang. Wala pa. Nag-lab daw siya. Opo, okay na. Sabana, ano na nila siya? May star sila ba?
Love the teacher, Ben.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher. I love you. Very good. Ito, supervisor. Supervisor. I love you, ma. I love you. Yeah, isa ka supervisor. Wow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Saan siya, ma'am?
Assignment. Isa lang.
Uy, assignment ba? For sure ba?
May assignment na siya.
Let's go na, anak. Where's your bag?
Savannah, come here. I will give you some because you're very good.
Hey, another one.
Wow, good job.
Get your bag, anak.
Elisha.
Get your bag, anak. Come on. Get your bag.
Si ano ba yung sumbukan si ano? Si Elisha.
Yan siya.
Si Yan, what mo rin say? You study was very good. Are you very good?
Say bye-bye to your teacher and your classmates, babe. Bye-bye, anak ko, ma'am.
Love you. Love you.
Hey.
Love you.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Love you.
Bye-bye. Eh, yung ano mo, anak, ID. Your ID. You give it back. Give it back to your teacher. Come on.
Okay, tomorrow naman na.
Bye-bye. You have an assignment.
Cry din. Dali lang. Meron na problema, ha?
Butang sa bag.
Oh, butang sa bag.
Wait lang. Okay, wait lang.
Wala ka man nag-eat. Unsay mong kaon? Tagaan ha? Pagkaon? Ari mo pudo. Ari kayo ilakay ko na. Assignment.
Nakuit pa, hindi ka man ko kalabas.
Come here, baby. Oops.
Akin na ba ilagay ko?
Oh, let's go.